Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 BMW M5 arrives with a commanding presence that instantly tells you this isn't just another. Luxury sedans, a statement of power, precision, and modern engineering. As the camera circles the car from the back bumper, the wide stance becomes immediately obvious. The redesigned rear features aggressive quad exhausts, a sculpted diffuser, and slimmer LED taillights that stretch toward the fenders, giving the car a wider, more athletic look. The subtle lip spoiler blends into the trunk line, adding both aerodynamic value and a touch of finesse. Even at a standstill, the rear view communicates dominance, moving toward the front bumper. The 2026 M5 showcases a cleaner, sharper interpretation of BMW's signature design language. The kidney grilles are more streamlined, finished in gloss black with active air flaps that open and close based on cooling needs. The lower bumper features enlarged air intakes that feed the twin-turbo hybrid V8 system, and the laser matrix headlights deliver an unmistakable lighting signature. This front angle tells you one thing: the M5 means business. The right side view reveals a long, sculpted silhouette with muscular shoulder lines that flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear quarter panels. The doors carry subtle M-specific creases that give depth without overwhelming the design. And the carbon fiber roof reduces weight while lowering the center of gravity. On the right angle, those 21-inch M Performance wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires look massive, emphasizing both performance and grip. Shifting slightly to a pure right-angle shot, the 2026 M5's proportions come to life. The extended wheelbase, lowered stance, and flared arches tell you that functionality and beauty are working together. This angle also highlights the aerodynamic side mirrors, the air-breathing vents behind the front wheels, and the glossy black window trim that adds a sleek, modern finish. From the left side view, the story is the same, but here you get a full appreciation of the hybrid charging ports subtly integrated near the fender. BMW has kept it discreet, preserving symmetry and luxury. The left angle also shows how the designers balanced elegance with aggression. The stance is wide, but the lines still flow gracefully from front to back at the left angle close-up. The M5's bodywork truly becomes art. The curvature of the fenders, the sharpness of the rocker panels, and the seamless integration of the flush door handles highlight BMW's dedication to craftsmanship. Every detail feels precise, engineered, and meaningful. Inside, the 2026 M5 takes luxury and innovation to another level. The cabin greets you with a curved dual-display setup powered by BMW's latest iDrive OS X, offering crystal-clear graphics and ultra-smooth animations. The full-width ambient lighting bar reacts to driving modes, notifications, and music, adding a futuristic touch. The M-specific steering wheel features red customizable M buttons, giving drivers instant access to performance settings. Carbon fiber trims, soft-touch materials, and premium Merino leather elevate the interior into a cockpit that blends comfort with motorsport character. Performance is where the 2026 BMW M5 becomes truly unforgettable. Under the hood is a cutting-edge hybrid twin-turbo V8, producing a combined output of around 700 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, rocketing the sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. The electric motor fills gaps in torque, eliminates turbo lag completely, and provides instant acceleration even at low speeds. With the enhanced X-Drive all-wheel system and adaptive M suspension, the car delivers astonishing stability whether you're launching on a straight road or carving through tight corners. The exhaust note, despite hybridization, still roars with that iconic M character, deep, metallic, and unmistakably BMW. The 2026 M5 also offers an all-electric driving mode for city use, giving quiet, emissions-free travel up to moderate distances. But once you switch to sport or track mode, the car transforms, stiffening the chassis. sharpening throttle response and unleashing its full potential. It's a dual-personality car, silent sophistication when you want it, pure performance when you need it. What makes this M5 unique is how seamlessly it blends tradition and innovation. It holds on to the spirit that made the M5 a legend, yet embraces electrification without sacrificing emotion. It's bold, futuristic, powerful, and refined. The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just a performance sedan, it is a technological masterpiece. A luxury cruiser and a track-ready machine all at once. It's the kind of car that doesn't ask for attention. It demands it from every angle and in every situation.